On a warm summer's evening, on the train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns staring out the window at the darkness to go to overtook us. And he began to speak. He said, "Son, I've made a lot. I'm reading in people's faces, knowing what the gods were, not the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see your outer face. On the days of the weeks, I give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got extra quiet, and his face lost all expression. He said, "If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold, know when to fold, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. Sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count. When the dealing's done, you got to know when to do, know when to fold." You got to know when to do. Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a win, and every hand's a loser. And the best that you can hope for is the guy in the sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, brushed out a cigarette, lit it on the sleeve. But then somewhere in the darkness, gambler he broke deep. In his final words I found an answer that cheap. You got to know when to hold, know when to fold, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. While sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count. When the deal's done, you got to know when to hold, know when to fold, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. While sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count. When the deal's done, you got to know when to do, know when to fold.